everyone, I am back with another Hot Wheels car review. Today is gonna be on the 68 Mustang. Last time I announced you that I'm gonna review this car, and today I'm reviewing it. So anyways, let's review it. Look at this car. This car looks impressive. This tuned car is very cool. It has some cool looking flame details, a cool motor over here, some big exhaust, nice green silver rims, a chrome interior, and cool wheels. I really like it. It is very cool. I really love this car. And yeah, what do you think about this car? If you think about this car, then tell me in the comments. So anyways, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Anyways, guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!